Hi, everybody. Welcome to Mark's Backyard Birds, a special requested program from YouTube about installing bird baths on your deck, your deck railing. There's like a few different kinds, so we're going to have to go through kind of each one of them, but it's pretty simple. It just depends. I know not everybody's mechanically inclined like me, so I thought I would walk through some of the steps. The first one I'm going to talk about is the tilt to clean bird bath from Allied Precision, and it comes with a saddle bracket that you can be placed on a 2x6, which this is a deck railing. Most deck railings that are wood, this is a pretty standard, but some have a 2x4, but they send you two sets of bolts or screws that tighten down on either side. So what we'll do first is show you the bracket. This is the metal bracket, and it comes with this sliding piece. So and your bolts will push against that into your board, but this part is what kind of gives you grip on the back side over here. So you just place that over the deck railing and then tighten down these bolts. And that little silver piece slides and spaces and pushes against there, so that you could tighten it all the way down, like I said, if it's a 2x4 there. And then your bird bath, which has the cord, a heated bird bath, and the bracket on the bottom, which you will have to screw in, just one screw. There it has a release side and a kind of attached side on the bracket. And that way you can tilt and dump the water out and put it back up. So this fits on here like this, and it slides down into those brackets. You can see the slots on the back and on the front. And then this is where you lift up and dump the water out. And you don't want to, of course, you don't want to dump it on your feet. You want to dump it up on the side of your deck. So it's just a matter of getting that, making sure you get that silver piece in, that spacer, so that you can clamp down on your deck good and tight. So that is the tilt to clean from Allied Precision. Now, for installing Mark's favorite bird bath, the Scalloped edge bird bath from Farm Innovator onto your deck. And remember, this can be a deck railing of 2x6 and a 2x4 as well, but also it can fit nicely in a 4x4 post. So on your fence, or even if you just want to sink a 4x4 post in and attach it on there, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. First, we take this off to show you what's going on here. And I'm going to put that down here. And this is a saddle that comes with this bird bath. And you can see it call it a saddle because it sits on top of the 2x6 or 2x4 post. And again, the screws they send with it are long enough to tighten down easily on the 2x6, and it can tighten down further if you're using a 2x4. So we set the saddle, and you can see the opening on this side. This is where you run your extension cord through and then plug it into the bottom. And all you have to do is tighten down the bolts on there and then run your extension cord and put it up through that hole. And I usually give it a little extra length in there so I can plug it into the bird bath itself on here, and then it goes on to the saddle with a quick turn, and it tightened up. And then when you go to dump it and clean it out in the mornings, I take it off there and just swish it off the side of my deck and rub it out really good, and then put a pitcher of water in there, rinse it out. It's really, really simple. But again, like I said, I know a lot of people, the deck railings like this one, today they're building deck railing a lot out of metal, and those are very, very popular, and that's very hard for this to attach to like this. So people had to rig up their own, and like I said, a 4x4 post. This can tighten down on top of that, and you can put the 4x4 post on your deck attached to your deck railing, your metal balusters and things. So that's one way to do this, or like I said, out in your yard on a fence, things like that. And the installation is the same concept. The most versatile of the heated bird baths we have here is the 3-in-1 bird bath, which gives you 3 different mounting options for it. It comes with a basic clamp-on type bracket, which is pretty simple. It just slides over the your edge of your deck railing. The difference here is you have to have a big enough lip on your deck underneath for that to slide onto so it can tighten down on. It also has a screw mount bracket, which you can attach to your deck railing. screw that into the outside or on one of your center posts, wherever you want that to go. But it also has little legs that fit underneath, and you can just set it on a patio table or a picnic table or your deck floor itself. But they all attach via this plate opening here. This is on the bottom of the railing, and all that does is that slides onto the bracket. And it also slides on the screw mount bracket. If that's screwed in, then that just slides that way. So you're mounted like that, and that screws right into your deck. So pretty simple. You don't have to be super handy with tools, but a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, and you can install these heated bird baths pretty easily on about any deck. So water is the key. Everything has to have water to survive. Unfrozen water is so important this time of year. If you have a deck, or you have a patio, or you have just a picnic table, you can attach and provide unfrozen water for birds all winter long. Hope these instructions on how to install them helped you out. And send in ideas for future programs. Give us a like, give us a share. Until next time, let's talk birds.